Dismantle. Dismantle. To take a machine or something complicated apart, usually to make it unable to work. Once upon a time, there was a young inventor named Max who lived in a small village. Max had a passion for creating machines that could make people's lives easier. One day, he built a robot that could do all the household chores, but the villagers were scared of it and deemed it a threat. Determined to prove that his creation was harmless, Max decided to dismantle the robot and show the villagers its inner workings. He took apart each component, explaining how it functioned and how it was programmed to help, not harm. The villagers were amazed by what they saw and slowly began to trust the robot. However, one day, a group of bandits attacked the village, and the robot was their main target. Max realized that he had to act fast to protect his creation and the villagers, so he quickly dismantled a few other machines he had built and used their parts to upgrade the robot's defense system. The upgraded robot successfully repelled the bandits and saved the village. From that day forward, the villagers had a newfound appreciation for Max's creations and the potential for technology to do good. Max continued to dismantle and improve his inventions, always seeking to make the world a better place.